animal behaviors.
Behaviors that are genetically based and not linked to past experiences are called innate behaviors.
A fixed action pattern is carrying out a specific set of actions in sequence in response to a stimulus. Learned behaviors results from an interaction between innate behaviors and past experiences within a particular environment.
Habituation is a decrease in an animal's response after repeatedly being exposed to a stimulus that has no effects.
Classical conditioning occurs when an association is made between two different kinds of stimuli.
In operant conditioning, an animal learns to associate its response to a stimulus with a reward or a punishment.
Promise. Take Renesmee out of her room.
Huh.
Don't touch me right now. I don't want to hurt you. You imprinted on my daughter?
Imprinting is learning that can only occur within a specific time period in an animal's life, and it is permanent.
Thinking, reasoning, and processing information to understand complex concepts and solve problems are cognitive behaviors.
Let's go fight, huh? Let's go. Yeah, let's go to Starbucks instead. Alright, let's go.
Threatening or combative interaction between two individuals of the same species is called agnostic behavior.
Go.
In dominance hierarchies, top-ranked animals get access to resources without conflict from other animals in the group.
Territorial behaviors are attempts to adopt and control physical area against the other animals of the same species.
Finding and eating food are examples of foraging behaviors.
Some animals, such as birds and grazing mammals, move long distances seasonally to new locations. These animals are engaging in migratory behaviors that increase their chances of survival.
A circadian rhythm is a cycle such as sleeping and walking that occurs daily.
Language is a form of auditory communication in which animals use vocal organs to produce groups of sounds that have shared meanings.
An animal engages in courting behaviors in order to attract a mate.
Parents provide care to their offspring in the early stages of development. They are engaging in nurturing behaviors.
Sometimes, an animal will perform an action that benefits another individual at a cost to itself. This type of behavior is called altruistic behavior. Animal behaviors relate to evolution by natural selection. What advantage does singing during breeding season provide the male bird? Perhaps the singing helps the male bird keep other male birds away. Perhaps the singing helps the male attract the mate. Over a number of generations, birds that sang became the only birds contributing to the population's gene pool. The behavior has been naturally selected. Many behaviors have benefits and disadvantages related to survival and reproductive success. Behaviors such as migration, pheromone communication, and nurturing all have their advantages